Good morning everyone. It's currently 7 AM on Sunday and we've just completed the second leg of our journey, travelling from Kent to Dover. We're now on the ferry. We're going to complete the short journey on here and then we'll head through France and into Germany. And I'll keep you updated as we progress. So we left this morning at 5 AM UK time. It's now past 9 PM in Germany and we've just made it to our overnight stop at Motorworld. The event starts just 10 minutes from here tomorrow, so we can't wait, but for now we need some rest. As you can probably hear, the rain's coming down. We've had an extreme weather warning for thunder and thunderstorms, so it's very loud here, very wet, so we're going to get some rest and hope it dries up for tomorrow. So it's the morning now and we're at the Motorworld in Munich and it's slightly drier than it was last night. However, I'm not sure the weather's going to stay quite as dry as it is at the moment. So today is day one of the Concours Tour, so it's Monday and we've got all the way through to Friday. So on day one, we first start at the Business and Drivers Club, and then we move on to the BMW Museum and then a beautiful drive through the countryside when we head to the lake. So I'll take you along for the journey, let's see how the day is, and I'm not sure what to expect, as I said, it's the first year this event's on. It's now day two of the Concours Germany driving tour. Day one was much slower, not a lot of driving, all about finding your feet, whereas today we should be able to get some real miles on the Jag. The weather's looking good, should be up to 30 degrees, so I'll take you along for the journey. There are tulip style directions and some great stops. The tulip directions are optional, but we are going to use them as it's great fun and a lot more traditional. So let's get on the road and have some fun on some amazing roads. So we've just come into the end of day two of the driving tour and there's been some amazing roads today and hopefully you've enjoyed coming along. We've just pulled over at this amazing stop on the side of the lake, some amazing views, amazing mountains in the water, just to take it all in for the end of day two. Day three and day four coming up, so that's Wednesday and Thursday, they're much busier, a lot more driving, so we'll take you along once again for those. Hopefully you're enjoying this trip and obviously my camera work rather than our usual marketing team. So you join me back now. We're at one of the stops on day three of the tour, so it's the Wednesday. This is one of the longest days, lots of driving. Hopefully you've seen in the clips, we've had some great fun driving with the pre-war Bugatti, amongst some other awesome and fabulous sounding cars. So yeah, we're at a lovely German castle next to the lake here, so we're going to have a good look around here and we hit the road for the second half of the day, which should be great fun again, so I'll take you along. So we're on day 4 of the tour now. It's the final day and a shorter day. We're just with Pete, who's been doing obviously most of the driving on this trip. How are you finding it, Pete?
Oh, it's been fun, hasn't it? The car has been absolutely superb. It's really the first time I've driven it distance, and it's just been amazing. It's got an incredibly crisp engine. The whole thing has been great. Just the only pain is fitting these seat belts. It's just literally burnt no oil at all.
You're not a big fan of the harnesses?
No, they once you're in them, they're great, but they just...
Yeah, let's have a look inside, shall we? Yeah, not a big fan of the harnesses then, inside.
No, but they do hold you really tight in the seat.
Yeah. And what's it like to drive?
Yeah, some amazing steering and suspension for the age of the car. It's just incredible. So it drives beautifully. The gearbox is fantastic. So yeah, it's a good cruise. Cruising 70, 80. It's been absolutely lovely, hasn't it? And these roads, obviously, around all the bends, just superb. And I just love the colour scheme of this car. The green and the wheels. It's had some serious admirers this week. Yeah, but yeah, it's been a good trip.
So you like your Jags then?
Yeah, love the Jags. So this is 3.4, isn't it?
Yeah, 3.4 this one.
It's got these big carbs.
So what are you up to at the moment?
I'm just checking the water level. Yeah, on some of these roads, and you get stuck in traffic, you do. This fan is 100% necessary, but it does stay on top of the heat. It cuts in and out nicely. Yeah, I mean, it's just an absolute delight to drive. And even when it's been raining earlier in the week, we didn't really get too wet if you can keep your speed up. I thought these little screens, I can't remember what they're called, but...
Brooklyn's Aero screens.
Yeah, they really works really well. So yeah,
how have you found driving with other cars?
Yeah, okay. I mean, this is the noisiest car here. The exhaust system is fantastic. It sounds great, and especially when you're going down hills, backing off. Yeah, it's all been good. You have to stay on top of the brakes. It's not like a modern car where you have to sort of stand on them a bit, but everything is pucker with this car. Yeah, really straight.
What other cars do you like on the trip?
There's some interesting cars, isn't there? There's a nice, pretty amazing Bugatti, and there's the Astons and Ferraris. Yeah, it's a good mix. But can't get back across enough. That's where it stops.
So you can't get first, second, reverse, nothing?
No.
Okay.
It normally just goes straight over. Such a shame. I don't know if it's inside the gearbox or not.
I think, yeah, we open it like there.
Yeah.
And have a look.
That'd be amazing. So we were driving along brilliantly. Gearbox has been fantastic all day. Went to change down into second and just couldn't get in. It was that whole side of the gearbox, first, second, reverse is not able to work. So we managed to get here. Did the last sort of 15 miles in third and fourth. Did it though.
Tell me where we are.
So, story continues. We're now back at the hotel. Managed to get it fixed, which was actually quite a simple problem. There was a nut just fell off the end of the gear lever and jammed itself, preventing us to go across the gate. So, all fixed, sorted.
We're back at the trailer now, and that's the end of an amazing week. We've thoroughly enjoyed it, the Bavarian Tour and the Concours of Elegance Germany, fantastic events and so well organised. We'll get the car home now, over 600 miles back to the UK. Once home, we'll give it a good inspection, a good clean up, and then back into storage. And maybe another event this year, but definitely next year. Thanks for watching.